my name is Sydney Selby. Today we're making hot tea. We're using matcha collagen and lemon honey today. Today we're using 4 items. We're using the Pug Christmas mug, we're using lemon honey, and we're using matcha collagen. And most importantly, we're using the tea bag. First thing we need to do is put water in the kettle. Second thing we need to do is turn the stove on. While we wait, our water is boiling, we might as well get our hot tea ready for our matcha. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to get my mug, and then I'm going to grab the matcha, and what I'm going to do is open it and get one big scoop. And I'm going to just plop it in, one huge scoop, and what's next? We're going to do the lemon honey. So the lemon honey is from a beehive company, which is all organic, which is really nice. So what we're going to do next, we're going to get 1 teaspoon of honey, and we're going to drop it in. And most importantly, we can't forget the tea bags. So what we're going to do next, I'm going to grab a tea bag, and I'm going to open it and drop it right in. And I'm pretty sure the hot tea should be ready, or the hot water. So I turn off the stove, and I pour it in, and my tea should be ready.